Hey, hello everyone. Myself Saper. So today onwards I am starting the VBA sessions. So whatever I am learning, I just want to be put this, record this VBA session and will share with you guys. So uh, so it will be easy to learn and spreading the knowledge. That's my passion. So without wasting time, so let's we can start the write the code in VBA window. So today we are going to learn how we can refer the sheets and cells. Means here is one workbook that is a practical I have saved in Excel SP, and this is a sheet 1, and second is the example. Okay, this is a user defined name and this is a default name is sheet 1. Okay, and here I want to be just I want to write in 810. I just want to be highlight 810. Okay, I just want to write here that Sapir by VBA coding. Okay, so we can start the write the code. So we can go in VBA coding window. So what is the shortcut? Alt F11. See, so we entered here in VBA coding window. So I just want to highlight just keyboard. I just want to show you this is a VBA project. Okay, so we can see the workbook name practical. Okay, so and this is the model I have right there. So I will show you how we can insert the model, and this is the sheet names there. See, two sheets there. Sheet 1, that's sheet 1 default name is there, and sheet 2 in the bracket example, that's user defined name there. Okay, so this is the VBA project, and this one property model. Okay, so once we click on the sheet, so it will be show the sheets property. Okay, so I'm going to clear this, and so just I want to highlight here. So I'm going to write here that's name Sabir. So we'll start the coding. So write, we can write how we can write the code. So first we have to write sub, that's basic procedure, that's subject we have to mention there. Okay, and what we can give the name for this micro, that's example 1. See, end sub, it's auto reflect there. So within sub and end sub we have to write the VBA code. Okay, so I'm going to write here the name Sabir. So sheet is name sheet 1. Okay, and 810, that's cell number. So just I want to write here this workbook, this workbook dot sheets. See, there is a reference also there, so we can go through on that. So basically that's in this code, object, child object, and property and method. So in this concept all together we can define that. So this workbook sheets, and I want to be right here sheet 1, so I'm referring to sheet 1 dot range So range is 18, right? 18 dot value is equal to 7. Okay, so whatever the words in a double quote I have write there. Okay, so we are referring the name, so we have to be right in the double quote. So this is the first quote. So what I write here, this workbook dot sheets in the bracket 1, because I'm referring the sheet 1 dot range and cell number 810 dot value is equal to subray. So basically I want to write in the sheet 1 and range 810, that cell number 810, I want to write there subray. So just I want to be run this code, so hope it will be work. So F8 is one by one, that code will execute. Answer. Okay, so code is run and we can see here that's somewhere. Okay, so I just want to delete this one, and in one shot I want to show you how it will be shown. So how I can show you, see. Okay, so F8, I'm executing this code by F8 only. Okay, see, now it's execute and see there subway name is there, it's now reflecting, and I can assign the micro by button also. Okay, there is a developer tab, so it is already visible. Sometimes it's not visible, maybe you're not activate, so I will show you how to activate the developer tab. I just click on file and option customize repin. Okay, see, already checked there, so I'm going to uncheck. Okay, and okay, just clicking on okay. See there, developer tab is not visible, invisible, so I'm going to be visible the developer tab. So again I'm going to file, option customize repin, developer tab, just click, just check the box and click on OK. Okay, see, there is a developer tab. So I'm going to insert the button here. Okay, fine. Example, I'm just clicking on example 1 and edit the text. We can edit this text and we can write the example 1. Okay, see there, so I have assigned the macro as well here, and I just want to click, just click, and we can see, yeah, so successfully code is running perfectly. Okay, so first code is already done, so now I'm going to write the second code. So I just want to go in the example sheet, okay, and A10. So I want to write here the same as a I want to mention here Sabir, okay, in the sheet 1 I have done it, but I want to write in second sheet, that's example, that's user defined name is example, sheet name is example, and A10 I want to write here, that's name Sabir. So let's start the second code. So I'm going to coding window. So starting from the sub example 2, see ends up, that's by default it will show. So this workbook dot see the property and method, that's reference already showing there. Worksheets by using the tab I can refer the below code, okay. And in the bracket the sheet name is example 1, right, only example, right. So how can I understand that sheet name, that's already is there, see that's Excel defined sheet name is sheet 2, but user defined name is example in the bracket. You can see here I can draw there so you can easily understand. See, I'm referring to this sheet 2, that's Excel defined, and that's user defined name is example, okay. I'm going to clear and finish drawing example, and I want to refer the range, so range 18, right, in the bracket 18 dot value is equal to 7. Okay, fine. So I'm going to run this code, and we can see here as well. So alt effect, only effect, see that run code is executed and its name already reflecting here, so it's working. So that's good, it's successfully working this code. That's great. So we write two method here, okay, two type of codes, how to refer the sheets and range. I'm going to write the third one, okay. What I want to refer the third one, just I want to refer by sheet name, okay, that's default name, what is the Excel defined name is there, so I want to refer that, and I will write the code there in the example, okay. I want to be right here 4224 in this cell beat, okay. So let's start sub example 3. So I want to write here this workbook is workbook dot sheets. Sheets in the bracket, double quoted, example. Why I'm right here example? Because sheet name is there, example. Okay, instead of this I can write the sheet 2. That will be better. Sheet 2. No, that's example is better. We can see that example in the different way. Example dot range B10, right? In the bracket, double quoted, B10 dot value is equal to double quoted sub. Okay, this workbook dot sheets. Instead of this I can write also worksheets. Okay, let's see it will work. Just going to execute the code by effect. See, there is a subware, but I want to write there 4224. So instead of subware I want to replace by 4224. Okay, so again going to place the effect. That's far better, it's working. So subware 4224. Okay, so this code also working fine. So going to start the next, how we can refer this sheets and cells at the next example. So writing here the new sub example 4. Okay, so here I want to refer the that sheet number. So sheet 4, sheet 2, sorry. So I just want to be here, I want to write spreading subware 4224 spreading. So I just C10, I'm referring the example sheet and cell number C10. Okay, so sheet 2 dot range see, there is a we are getting the reference also. So I can take that method range C10, right? So going to write C10 dot value is equal to spreading, right? Spreading. Okay, so let's uh, run this code by effect. Okay, so this is executing. Yeah, so fine, it's working. See there, spreading also got it. Sapper 4224 spreading. Great. So we next code. What is the next code? Just pick here. So just I want to be right here. Here hyphen. Okay. So whatever the hyphen now in between spreading and knowledge, that's hyphen. That symbol is hyphen. So I want to write this by VBA code. Okay. So just delete it and going to VBA code and writing this new sub example 5. Okay, and here I want to write the code worksheets dot worksheet in the bracket. Okay, example sheet name is example, right? Example dot range in the bracket, double quoting, range D10, right? Yes, D10 dot value is equal to what I want to write there. That's hyphen. Okay, let's see. I'm pressing the effect. Okay, let's executing the code and run. See there, hyphen is shown. I just want to line the middle. Okay, perfect. So it's also working fine, this code. And going to next code. What is the next? So next is here I want to write here the knowledge. So how? So just go in the coding window and we can write here new sub example 6, and I want to write here the range, yeah, range E10 dot value is equal to knowledge. Okay, just hitting in enter. Let's see it's working or not. I guess it is referring only current sheet, whatever the active sheet, it's referring that sheet, and it will refer the cell number E10 and value will be reflect knowledge. Okay, so already we are there. Okay, we can see here it will show or not. So let's run the code by effect. Okay, next. Okay, great. So it's working fine and we can see the knowledge here. Okay, so what is the next code? Let's see. I want to be right here Sabir 4224. Okay, so how can I refer the sheet? This is a second type of example, how we can refer the sheet and cell. So we can try by the codes starting from the sub and example 7, right? Example 7. Great. Once we hit the enter, then end sub it will be auto reflect. So in between sub and end sub we can write the code here. So range C13, right? I have already highlighted here. So C13. So I want to write there 4224. So C13 is equal to Savage 4224. Just entering and I'm just running the code by effect. Just executing the code by effect. Perfect. See there, Sabir 4224 is reflecting. So this type also working fine. Okay. So I guess one more type we can add the code. So Sabir 4224. I want to write here spreading knowledge, spreading hyphen knowledge. So I want to write. So let's start the code. Sub example 8, just hitting enter and writing the code. Cells in the bracket 1 in the bracket a row comma column, or rows 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 rows and 5 column, 5 5 and is equal to spreading knowledge. Let's see. So running the code by effect. Okay, so it's not reflecting where we did the mistake. Just here. No. 1 2 3 4 5 row 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 15 rows and 5 column. Okay, just going to changes. Row number 30 and 5 column. Let's see. Okay, clicking on effect. Perfect. So row is 30 and column is 5. Row number is 30 and column is 5. How it's 5? That's it's reflecting is instead of A, we can consider 1 2 3 4 and 5, and row that's 1 2 3 4 5 like 30. So 13 comma 5, row 30 and column 5. So it's reflecting spreading hyphen knowledge. So hope everyone understand how we can refer the codes, okay, and how we can refer the sheet and cells by VBA coding. Okay, the same way, if I will share the next in the next session whatever I learned in the VBA, definitely I will share here. So hope you guys also learn with me. I'm also beginner and I'm sharing the knowledge, and hope you guys also will refer this video, and you will do the practice on this and will increase your VBA knowledge. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Thanks a lot.